hello, this is me Mehak and welcome to the Blitz news channel. The Gujarat government on Monday told the High Court it will come up with a uniform policy on maintenance of bridges in the jurisdiction of municipalities and municipal corporations. The announcement was made by Advocate General Kamal Trivedi during the hearing of a PIL following the deaths of 135 persons after a British-era suspension bridge over Machu River collapsed in Morbi town in October last year. The division bench of Chief Justice Sonia Bukani and Justice Sandeep Bhatt will hear the PIL further on Tuesday. During the hearing on Monday, Trivedi informed the bench a policy in the form of a circular issued in 1990 existed for maintenance and inspection of bridges managed by the State Roads and Building Department (R&B), but no such policy has ever been prepared by the Urban Development Department, which handles the affair of municipalities and municipal corporations. The 1990 Circular of Roads and Building Department does not apply to bridges which fall under the UDD, including the one that collapsed in Morbi, he told court. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.